तरी की पाठशाला।
A for apple, B for ball,
B for ball,
C for cat,
C for cat,
D for dog,
D for dog,
E for elephant,
E for elephant,
F for fish,
F for fish,
G for grape,
G for grape,
H for horse,
H for horse,
I for ice cream,
I for ice cream,
J for jelly,
J for jelly,
A for kite,
A for kite,
L for lion,
L for lion,
M for mango,
M for mango,
N for nest, O for orange,
O for orange,
P for parrot,
E for parrot,
U for stream,
U for stream,
R for rat,
R for rat,
S for sun,
S for sun,
T for tiger,
E for tiger,
U for umbrella,
U for umbrella,
V for van,
V for van,
W for what,
W for what,
X for Xmas tree,
X for Xmas tree,
Y for yoga,
Y for yoga,
J for zebra.
J for zebra.